In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on YouTube. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, after opening the YouTube app, the way I've opened it here, if you want to see how to open it, make sure that you are in the home screen, then locate YouTube. Okay, now after opening YouTube, you will see your profile picture icon at the very bottom of the screen to the right. Just tap on it, then tap on settings. Okay, make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now under account you will count from the top: general, switcher, manage account, family center. Then you locate languages. Just tap on languages. Then first you want to change the app language. You can see mine is currently in English, but you can change it to whatever you want. You can change it to Swahili or whatever language you want to change it. Now that is how you can easily change your language on YouTube. If you found value in this video, guys, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my next upload. This also helps me and motivates me to create more helpful videos like this. Until next time, peace out.